Hello everyone. Yesterday we have learned how to make a form. Then I will tell you complete package for your quiz. Then how you can make a quiz for your students, and then you how you can share with them. Firstly, I'm going to start from the blank presentation. Means I'm going to start from the blank form. Here is a blank form, and you can rename that form with any name. Computer quiz I have made. Then you can see here is a description area. Any line, any welcome line or any suggestion line for your kids, you can write here. I'm writing welcome line. Welcome to computer quiz. Then I'm going to start from a first question. Then first question is short answer. Then I'm writing here, what is your name? What is your name? And next question is from your quiz. Before writing this question, firstly I want to make one question here. What is computer? One option, machine, and second option is human. As we have made one question for students, that what is computer, then see, simply student will enter any option and get full marks, or otherwise it will student will get 0 marks, because this is not the grade based question. So firstly we have to make the setting here. Settings options are here. Firstly we have to change the journal settings. Means if you want to collect the email of that person, then collect email you can select. Next is require sign in. Means if student without signing in to the Google can respond, then you have no need to choose this. Means without signing in, the student can respond to your form. Next one is edit after submit or see summary chart and text responses. Means student can see what was the response of the student. So click on this. And next is presentation. Presentation means show any progress bar. Means you want progress bar, that student can see the progress bar of the answers. Show link to the submit another response. Means if student can submit another response, then you can choose this, otherwise no need to choose this. Then next is the confirmation message. Then you can choose any sentence here. Thanks for submitting your answer. And next is quizzes. Means do you want to make your question as a quiz? Means do you want to give the student grades? So immediately after each submission, means every submission student can see his response immediately after each submission, or later after manual review. So you can choose this, because student will enter all the questions and after that all the answers, and after that he or she can see the by review that what was the response of the student. And respondent can see missed question, correct answers, point values. So you can choose all of them and after that save. So now you can see here This question has made for the students as a quiz, and student, and you can set the answer key here. Answer key means you have to choose the correct answer. Machine is the correct answer, and you can give means how many marks do you want to give to the student. And 1 mark you want to give to the student, then when student will click on machine. So done. This is your answer key for first question. Clear? And next is colored theme. Choose any image. Yesterday I have chosen color, then now I am choosing one image for beautiful theme. So I am going to choose this theme, then insert, and you will see your image, your form will look like this. And then you can see the preview here. You can see the preview. This is your complete form. Computer quiz. Welcome to computer quiz. Required email address student can enter here. What is your name, and student will enter the answer here. Then when the student will click on Geeta, I am writing here, and machine, then submit. So this is the final report, and submit another response and see previous response. See, I have given this answer, and this is my response. And now if you want to change, then you can see that area where you want to change. And next option is responses. You can see all the responses are here. Means I have scored 1 mark. And if you want to release the scores, then you can click on release, then score will released. So if you want to choose any another file, then select existing spreadsheet or any new spreadsheet you want to select, then computer quiz responses named file will saved at the back, and create. Now if you want to send this form to your student, then click on send. So 2 options are here. Computer quiz message will be, I have invited you to fill out of a form, and I'm sending this mail to myself only. And next is link. Means if you want to copy this link, when you copy this link, then you can paste this link anywhere you want to share. Copy, and then you can share anywhere. See, I'm sharing here. Create a post. So control V, then you can paste here this link and you can post anywhere. See, you have shared this link on FB page. Computer quiz, when student will click on this link, then they will get the quiz. And next is email. If you want to send any mail, then you can click on mail. I will show you how you can see this mail. Computer quiz. See, this is your mail and invitation. You can click on that invitation and you can see this mail will show you as a computer quiz. So this is all about how to make a form and how you can make any quiz for your kids and how you can send. Thank you so much.